Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we'll be doing a t-shirt print. This is a at-home version because not all the equipments used in this video are the correct equipments. So right here I'm just cutting out the design for the print.
For all time's sake. As time goes by. It's been a long time. Some of the old songs. For all time's sake. As time goes by. Been a long time. Some of the old songs. For all time's sake. As time goes by.
Okay, so for this step you're going to put something under the shirt because you don't want the other side of the shirt to have on any print. Then you're going to place the print that you cut out on the preferred area, and then you're going to put your screen over the cutout because you don't want the cutout to shift when you're applying the ink. This is just a sponge that you're going to use to apply the ink. The color ink that we're going to be using today is black. this is the finished product. Comment if you like it, and thanks for watching my video today.